The police are investigating the shooting death of a 51-year-old laborer in Gregory Park, St. Catherine on Friday night. The deceased is Adrian Campbell, otherwise called Schoon. The incident reportedly occurred at about 8 p.m. in the community of Hamilton Gardens, the police said. A 17-year-old teenager of Logwood District in Hanover has been slapped with several charges following a gun attack that claimed the life of two residents at their home in Nonpareil Heights, Negril on Thursday, May 23. Dead are 62-year-old fisherman Kevin Whitmore and 49-year-old Althea Hunter. The teenager, who cannot be identified, was charged with 2 counts of murder, possession of a prohibited weapon, and using a firearm to commit a felony. Reports are that about 11:30 p.m. a man and a woman were sleeping at home when they were awakened by armed men who kicked open their front door. It is reported that the men entered the house and opened gunfire at the couple, hitting them multiple times before fleeing the scene. The police were summoned, and on their arrival, the couple was taken to hospital where the man was pronounced dead. The woman was treated and admitted, but later succumbed to her injuries, the police said. The teenager was arrested on Thursday, August 8, during an operation and later charged. His court date is being arranged. The police have arrested and charged a man who is suspected to be the perpetrator of the shooting and serious wounding of a police constable and another man in Clarendon Friday, July 26. He has been identified as Kirk Messam, otherwise called Nico, a 27-year-old delivery man of Iverness Drive in Sandy Bay, Clarendon. Messam is charged with 2 counts of wounding with intent, unauthorized possession of ammunition, possession of a prohibited weapon, and using a prohibited weapon to commit a felony. Reports are that about 8:30 p.m. the policeman was at a church event at Iverness Drive in the parish when he heard explosions nearby and went to make inquiries. The officer was reportedly greeted with gunfire. The police said the officer returned gunfire and the gunman ran. When the shooting subsided, the officer was left nursing gunshot wound to his abdomen while another man had a gunshot wound to his buttocks. The police launched an investigation and Messam was later identified as a suspect in the shooting. He turned himself into the police accompanied by his attorney on Friday, August 2.